When it comes to making a ready-to-wear outfit, you have to understand the most important thing about ready-to-wear is the speed. And when it comes to speed, you have to understand that you have to figure a way to make sure you work neat and you work fast. And in order for you to work fast, you have to understand how to make something called casual. That's the most important thing when it comes to ready-to-wear. I've gotten a lot of questions about this trouser, whether if you're making a trouser for ready-to-wear, you have to input zipper, you have to do the normal corporate stuff. So I'm going to take you guys in between the three that you can do. And based on each one of them, there's a speed to it. When it comes to number one, this is the very first one. You can see the one I'm holding right here. This is the casual wear. I've sold several pieces of this. This is another one that has a little bit of elastic at the back. But this is the full one that has a full frame. So let's go into this one first. When it comes to ready to wear, right, you can make this particular short or trouser. Everything here is basically prop. You can see here that if you look at the zipper area, there is no zip there. That zipper you're just looking at is a prop. You can make a long of this material or any other material and make it exactly like this. It is a full elastic waist with a string, and the zipper is not there. That particular place is just a prop. I've sold several pieces of this. If you're making this, you can make like 30 to 50 of this per day, depending on your workforce. And it's easy, it's fast. You're going to put two pockets or whatsoever. So let me just debunk this. This is the fastest way. And I've sold a lot of this more than I've sold a corporate trouser. And if you're doing this, you can do it cheaper and you can do it faster. The most important thing is the speed. So this is the first one. Comparing this to a normal corporate trouser, it takes time. It takes time, and that is the most important thing when it comes to mass production. Time is the most important thing. So between these, the major difference is that this one is a full elastic, and a corporate trouser include band, belt band, and the zipper and the full lining and all of those stuffs, right? And if you don't want to do this, right, there's the third one, which is the first one I showed you in the video, that has a little bit of elastic at the back. So you have to determine which one you want to do: full elastic, half elastic, or without elastic at all, which is the normal belt band or beltless. Whether you're using a belt band or a beltless, you still follow the same process. So here you can basically do this with just a string. You see, we have a string that's going to hold the waist, and we have the elastic right here, and everything here is prop. There's no, if you look at the inside right here, you're going to see that I cut both the overlap of the zip, I cut it together with the fabric. If you are in the ready to wear class, you're going to see this, the process of cutting this. And if you look at the corporate trouser, you can see that it is cut and joined. If you look at the edge, you can see that we joined that stitch in order to hold the zipper, right? So that's the whole process. So there's always speed involved when it comes to like making, but you should understand that the price is actually also very, very different. The price is different, the speed and the price is different, but you're going to sell one more than the other depending on your marketplace. So the third one, which is the half elastic, and the front is a zipper. You can see what I have here. This is actually a full trouser. You can do it in a short also, depending on whichever you want. You can see it has an half elastic. So most of the time I use this for like a full vintage, like a vintage top and a full trouser. You can see it has a back pocket and everything. So this is also fast at the same time, but not as fast as the first one, and not as slow as making a normal corporate trouser with a welt pocket at the back and all the ceremonies and stuff. So depending on whichever you want, you can decide which way you want to do. I have several videos on how to do all of this on the channel. I advise you to go ahead and watch them. Whichever one you want to do with your ready to wear, go ahead and do that. So these are the three that I do for now. If there are other ones that is fast or other one that is better or more convenient, I'll share more videos about that. So that is all I have for now. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.